Hey there, savvy savers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday financial tasks to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to reload a Visa prepaid card. If you've got one of these cards for budgeting, travel, or just keeping spending in check, reloading it is a simple process that keeps your funds flowing. Let's get started. First off, what's a Visa prepaid card? It's like a debit card you load with money up front. Perfect for controlling expenses without the risk of overspending or dealing with credit checks. Now, reloading can be done in a few ways, depending on what's most convenient for you. Method 1. Online reloading. Head to the official Visa website or your card issuer's portal. You'll need to log in with your account details. Don't worry, it's secure. Once logged in, look for the Add Funds or Reload option. You can link your bank account or use a debit card to transfer money. Enter the amount you want to add, confirm the transaction, and voila, your card is reloaded almost instantly. Remember to check for any fees associated with this method. They vary by issuer. If you're not into online stuff, try the in-store option. Many retailers like Walmart, CVS, or grocery stores offer reload services. Just bring your Visa prepaid card and cash or a debit card. Tell the cashier you want to reload. They'll scan your card, and you'll hand over the funds. It's quick and easy, usually done in under 5 minutes. For tech enthusiasts, use a mobile app if your card provider has one. Download the app, log in, and follow similar steps as online reloading. It's super convenient on the go. A few tips to keep in mind. Always double-check your card balance after reloading to ensure everything went through. Be aware of minimum and maximum load amounts, and watch out for any expiration dates on your card. Also, prioritize security, use trusted networks and keep your account info private. There you have it, folks. Reloading your Visa prepaid card is straightforward and empowers you to manage your money like a pro. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more financial tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay smart and see you next time.